Welcome back to Nelson's Wireless. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to install multiple apps at once on your Android device. This is a game changer for anyone who loves efficiency. Whether you're setting up a new phone or reinstalling apps, this will save you a ton of time. Let's get started. But first, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech tips. Did you know that Google Play keeps a library of all your installed apps? This feature is incredibly handy. Open the Play Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and go to Manage Apps and Device. This is where the magic happens. Then tap Manage. And from here, you can select multiple apps to install at once. It's as simple as that. There are some great apps that let you install multiple apps at once, like APK Installer or Easy Installer. These apps are designed to make your life easier. Simply download the app from the Play Store and it will allow you to select and install multiple APK files in one go. No more one-by-one installations. If you've reset your phone or are setting up a new one, Android will prompt you to restore all your apps during the setup process. You can select which apps you want to reinstall, and Android will automatically download them in the background. This is a huge time saver. If you're managing apps for multiple devices, the Google Play website can be a helpful tool. Visit play.google.com, sign in, and you can send apps to any of your Android devices by clicking Install next to the apps you want. It's that easy. And lastly, if you have multiple Google accounts, you can switch between them in the Play Store to access different app libraries, allowing you to install several apps linked to different accounts at once. This is perfect for those who juggle personal and work accounts. And there you go. Installing multiple apps on Android is quick and simple with these methods. I hope you found these tips helpful. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching Nelson's Wireless. Stay awesome and blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.